guys, welcome to another episode.
Ulit. Mickey daw, Mickey. Hello guys.
Hello guys!
Welcome to Gab Adventure Time ka na.
Gab Adventure, Mickey and Kuya guys!
Yay! Mag-unbox na naman tayo sa ating part 2. Ano yung unbox mo, kuya?
Mine is the swimming pool.
Peppa Swim Time. Wow, ang dami. 6 pieces, ha?
Yeah.
And the other one, let me see yours, Mickey. This is Peppa's Family Winter Time. Looks cool.
It's very cool.
So, sino mauna mag-unbox?
Mickey!
Okay, open it up.
May scissors first. Be careful using
Careful
scissors,
using
guys.
scissors, ha? Huwag malikot.
Jimmy, I will open.
Si kuya mag-open. Bitaw na.
Go!
Give to kuya.
Mine!
I will open.
I'm gonna open first!
No, we need
Bigay mo kay kuya. Hindi ka pwede mag-scissor. Baby ka pa kasi.
Yeah.
Kaya mag-play ka muna. Dito ka. Dito, Mickey. Play. Dito. Dito. Yan.
Yes, Peppa is not free. Peppa Pig.
Uy. Si Peppa Pig. Ang ganda niya. Meron siyang bonnet, ha? Bonnet. Ganda.
There is Georgie.
Georgie. Ang ganda, no? Ang cute.
That is very cute. Yeah. No, this one is Mommy Pig.
Si Mami Pig naman to. Oh. Guys, ang ganda talaga. Ang cute-cute niya. May bonnet pa siya.
And look at Pig. Yay! Daddy Pig.
Daddy Pig na. Oh, para siyang si Bulbasaur.
Yeah.
Yung kulay niya mukhang Bulbasaur.
Very look like Bulbasaur.
Ganda. Ang cute, guys. Ay, tayo mo kuya. So, yan siya, guys, eh. Winter time. Peppa Family Winter time. So, what's next? Subscribe me. Sa'yo na yan. Ikaw naman.
Yes.
Okay,
it's
tingnan
my
natin.
turn.
Kay Kuya Gab naman, ha?
Who is the rabbit?
Uy, si Rabbit.
The other rabbit?
Dalawang rabbit?
Yeah.
Magkapatid sila.
Yeah. Mommy rabbit?
Ay, ang daming anak ni Rabbit. Peppa Pig, oh. Parang pareha siya nung nakabalerina niya na. Mas malaki lang yung skirt nun. Ito, hindi.
Georgie?
Georgie. Si Georgie walang damit, guys. Wala siyang damit.
Hindi ato ba miss Mommy Pig?
Mami Pig. Wow, ang dami, ha? Ang dami siya, guys, eh. 6 pieces siya, no? Pieces. So, ayan, nag-play na sila.
Mama, wait lang. I need to go inside. I need to go inside. Yay, go inside. Whee! Whee!
So, masaya talaga maglaro ng Peppa Pig, oh. Ang dami na ng Peppa Pig, guys.
Hello, Brother Rabbit. Whee! Hello, Peppa Pig. Hello, Rabbit. Let's go inside to the swimming today. But Peppa, I have a swimming today. Okay, you go to swim now. I will go inside because it's raining. Whee! Whee!
So, guys, that's the end of our episode for today.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Mickey, like and subscribe na.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Mickey, bye-bye daw.
Bye, everyone.
Hasbro, baka naman. Bye.
See you later.
See you next episode.